Hi everybody, Jason.Fairchild with Guaranty RV. Thanks for taking the time to check out our website. Today we're going to go over a 2018 Jayco J-Flight 267 BHSW. We're going to start off going through the inside and finish off going over the exterior. Follow me inside. All right, as we enter the living area, you can see you've got ample space here with the deep super slide. Gives you the couch and the dinette in the slide. Really opens up the living area. Across from the couch and dinette, you have the kitchen, double sink, nice big faucet here, 3-burner stove, good size oven, ample storage with drawers and cabinets, microwave and hood fan. Really nice fridge. They've got this new Norcold they're going with. I love the way it opens. Easy to get to. You still got that nice recessed lip up front or up in the freezer. Great fridge. More storage. This is actually removable shelves. So you do have a hanging rod there. You could use it for whatever you'd like. Pretty cool space there. And you've even got another cabinet down below. So here in the back we've got the double bunks, and the weight capacity for these beds is really crazy. This is like 600 pounds up top here, so that's amazing. You do have some storage here below the lower bunk, and you can get to this from the outside as well. Great for your larger items you want to take with you. And then over here we have the bathroom. We've got the sink outside of the bathroom, which is actually kind of cool. Great for somebody wanting to maybe brush their teeth or shave while somebody else is getting ready in the shower or using the toilet. So ample space in here as well. And then if we move to the front of the trailer, we've actually got a nice private bedroom up here. Okay, up front here we've got the nice bedroom here, private. We've got pocket doors for separation from the living area, so you can get your privacy there. We've got cabinets on either side with shelves, and then storage up above. Also LED reading lights in here, and storage below the bed as well. So really great storage space here in the inside of the trailer. Let's go over some of the features on the outside. Yeah, as we're going out, we see we've got a large grab handle there, nice to have. This Jayco does come with the Rocky Mountain Edition package added to it, so we're going to have 80 gallons of fresh water. Great for that dry camping if you like to go out and do that. Large awning, electric, so that covers up a significant portion of this outside area on the trailer, so that's where you're going to be spending a lot of your time hanging out. There's a nice LED light that runs under that awning, puts off a nice light. We've got the storage underneath that lower bunk. Nice to be able to access that from the outside or the inside. Our water heater is here on the passenger side of the vehicle, which is kind of unique. Ladder for getting on the roof. We do have LED lights throughout, which is really cool. This is just your power cord, centrally located in the back, kind of convenient to have it there. Spare tire with the cover. Over here, you can see one of our 4-corner stabilizers poking out. If you've got a drill, get yourself a socket that'll fit on that, and that'll be a nice way to lower and raise the stabilizers. Here we've got our gray and black dump. So our gray here on the left, our black here on the right. So this is our main termination valve here. Hot and cold exterior shower. Black tank flush. Great for cleaning out your tank after you've already dumped. You can hook a hose up to here, turn it on, and it'll help flush out any remaining deficit. City water connection. If you're staying in a park, this is where you'll tie into the water. And this is for cable or satellite. One more thing on this trailer, it does have an electric tongue jack, makes it nice and easy, very convenient for getting it on and off your vehicle. I want to thank you for taking your time to go over this video with me real quick. It's the 2018 Jayco J-Flight 264 BHSW. Again, my name is Jason.Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Thanks for your time, guys. Have a great day.